Hey guys, it's Dozy. Today we're going to go through another example of the capabilities on Linux, however you want to pronounce it. I'm not going to get into debate over that, but yeah, I've already done a couple of videos on this, and I'm going to repeat the same thing again in every single video. We've got our basic methodologies, right? Or methodology rather. We've got snooping around, we're going to see what's on the system, blah blah blah. Then we've got find, looking for SUID bit flag set. Then we're doing the sudo -l, right? And then we expanded our methodology process. We added Getcap, if you remember, in one of the previous videos. We're looking for the capabilities set and how we can uh, elevate our privileges. There's also a video on Etsy cron tab. As you can see, it's growing, right? Our methodology process is growing, and that's exactly what we want. That means we're getting a bit more experience. We're looking at different types of boxes, and we're starting to get the hang of things. And that's exactly the stage we want to be at, right? So I'll tell you what, having said that, let's get started with this. So we've got get cap -r in the root dev. No, let's see what we've got. Right, okay, nice. This shows user bin vim.basic, which has cap DAC override. Now let's see what this is all about. Find override. Okay, cap DAC override. Bypass file read, write, and execute permission checks. DAC is an abbreviation of discretionary access control. Oh, that's interesting. Let me get a sip of water. So, Vim, using Vim, we should be able to read the sudoers file, but we also should be able to edit the sudoers file, right? So let's try and access it without Vim in there. We should still be able to. I don't know if I can. Not remember if it's. Oh, it says permission denied. Okay, fair enough. Let's try Vim Etsy sudoers. Something. Oh yes. Okay, that's nice. That's showing us read only. But anyway, oh okay, we're gonna press I. Okay, that's letting us insert. So the user is student. If we do all equals all, no password. It's no. I'm sure it's like that. Let's see. Well, we'll find out in a second. Escape QA. Read only, add the explanation mark to override. Okay. Right, okay, that seems to have done it. Let's try sudo -i. Something's happening, and no, it's not. Let's see what it's found. Unable to initialize the probably blah blah. Okay, let's try one more time. I wonder if I've spelt something incorrectly. Or the password, I'm thinking. Keep forgetting about the I. Let's type in password. No password. See, why is that not showing up as? Tell you what, let's just try it. Password escape. Exclamation mark to overwrite it. Sudo -i. And it's still not liking it. Okay, let's do a search. Add user to sudoers file with no password. Let's see if I'm doing something wrong. Oh yeah, I was doing something very wrong. That's clearly evident. Right, back to the drawing board. Yeah, there's a space in there, so you see where I've gone wrong. And on top of that, I did spell it correctly the first time round. That should. Right, lovely. That seems to have done the trick. Let's try one more time. No password. Let's see if this works. Sudo -I. It's doing something. Is it going to be another error? No, it's not going to be another error, and it's giving us root. That is fantastic. And there we go, guys. We've used Vim, which had the override capability set, to go on, edit the sudos, add the current user, excuse me, add the current user in there, and that's what happens when my throat's drying up. And we've given it privileges, root privileges, or rather, we've been able to access root. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time.